Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So, you know, I'm doing a little soup series or whatever. I made a zuppa toscano or Toscana, whatever, a couple videos ago. Today I'm making a SOPA de FIDEO and it came out so good. It's a very simple soup. It's from Mexico. I also made some flautas de papa. Y'all, we in here, we having a good time. Everything, you're gonna be in and out like 30 minutes tops. I promise you, like, it's so good. It's so simple. And you know, it's starting to be fall, you know what I'm saying? You need something to warm your insides. Do this one. So if you wanna see how I made a vegan sopa de fideo, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this soup is so easy to make. If you Mexican, let me know how I did, but like, don't do too much, okay? Like, not too much. But literally you blend some stuff up, you simmer it, and you got soup. Like, wow, period. And it's so good too. Okay, so there's a tomato base, and I was kind of worried about this because I'm not like a huge tomato girly, but no, it was so good. It's like it's just really good. Okay, so I'm using some Roma tomatoes. I feel like I made a comment about how I don't really like Roma tomatoes, but I feel like they work perfectly for this. So like, if you thinking that, mind your business. Okay, so I got 4 Roma tomatoes. I got a bunch of garlic. If you want to use less garlic, I feel like that's honestly a good point of departure anytime you use one of my recipes. Like, Katie likes an obscene amount of garlic. Maybe I should go back a little bit, okay? But I did garlic, onion, and a jalapeno, which might as well have been a bell pepper. Why was it so big? And I blended this a little smooth with a cup of water. All right, boom, set this to the side. I kept some oil from a time that I fried some tofu. That's what I used. That's why I was that color. I did not get it from an oil spill, I promise. And okay, I know there's a specific type of brand you're supposed to use, like that's from the international market. Y'all, I could not make it to the international market. I could not make it to a Mexican grocery store. So I got this fellini pasta, which is basically the same thing from Whole Foods. It's the same thing. Don't yell at me, okay? And I toasted it. Now, if you're wondering, even looking at the thumbnail, girl, it's supposed to be a noodle soup. Where the noodles at? I didn't want it to get SpaghettiOs, y'all. I don't like too much noodles in my stuff. I'm sorry, like my hands are up. Anyway, y'all, like if you want to put more noodles in your thing, you can. It was just like, I don't like a lot of noodles in my stuff. I didn't want it to get SpaghettiO. Okay, so I added my blended mixture. I added 3 cups of water, a can of tomato sauce, plus a cup of water in there because we ain't leaving nothing behind, all right? I mixed that up. I'm adding some sazon because it's Katie. I add sazon to everything. Hello. And then I'm doing 2 of these vegan chicken bouillon cubes. You can also use better than bouillon. I added some cilantro. I let it simmer for like 15 minutes. And that's it. Added some oregano and what else did I add? And I added some salt. And that's now, when I see people eating this soup, they always got a little something to dip it with, and it usually be a flauta. Now I have a flautas video. I love flautas. I haven't made flautas in so long. This reminded me that I need to make some flautas. You should make those flautas. But I decided to make a flauta de papa because I had some potatoes sitting around. Why did I boil them whole? Obviously I love chaos, because why else would I do that? Like, I look back through the footage, I'm like, why don't I just chop them up? I was trying to save time. Katie, hello. Anyway, okay, so I did some vegan butter, some cilantro, some vegan cheese. Honestly, I use Parmesan. You can use whatever cheese you want. That's what I have in my fridge. I'm about to go out of town. I needed to get rid of it. So I used it, and some salt and pepper and some garlic powder. Literally kept it so simple. There doesn't need to be anything else, okay? I got these corn tortillas from Whole Foods. They're not authentic, but that's what I had. And I'm going to heat them in the microwave for a minute. I think I did a minute and a half because you want them to look like this. Right? Like they have to be like pliable. Your stuff gonna rip elsewise. You're gonna be like, oh my God, her recipe don't work. No, babe, you weren't following instructions. Okay? You're gonna put a little bit in the middle. Don't be greedy, like 1 to 2 tablespoons. And that's it, because you don't want the filling to fall out. It's super simple, like boom, boom, bow. You know what I'm saying? And I was thinking like I should have put some like beans in this. Like I like beans, okay? But here they are. Aren't they pretty? Okay, here goes some oil. You could air fry these. And I thought about it, but then I was like, I've already come this far. I want the full experience. I didn't want them to taste like, I don't know. I just wanted them to taste like good. I mean, like, whatever. That's fine. Here it is. Don't say nothing about the noodles. They at the bottom. Okay, add more if you want. And here go my little plate. It was cute and it was good. Like, I had a good time. It was so good. I freezed. Girl, I put the leftovers in the freezer. And it was so good. Like, I can't wait. I'm already thinking about coming back and eating and make some more flautas because I'm gonna make the flautas that I mentioned earlier. You have to try it. If you're Mexican, let me know how I did, but not too much now. Don't do too much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. Get notes. I'm gonna have no videos. I'm doing a soup series. I'm taking notes. What soup? But let me know what soup I should make next. I already got some soups on here. I got a broccoli cheddar, whatever. That's only one soup. That's crazy. Anyway, I promise I got more. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. I already said that. What else do I gotta tell you? Oh, the recipe is in the description box. And I love y'all. Oh, I love y'all. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.